Hello, Crypto World. Wednesday, midday in the United States, and it's already Thursday in Asia. Today, the markets have backed off, not radically. They had some earnings. The S&P's down 0.25%, the Nasdaq's down 0.5%. But this week, we have CPI on Friday, which is very important. And then next week, we have a lot of earnings. So part of the market, my guesstimate is pausing, backing off as they wait to see this news that's coming. Now, we all know it's negative about the shutdown. It's negative about the fact that China and the United States has not made any deal with respect to tariffs. But Bessent is heading to Malaysia right now to meet with the Chinese counterparts, which is suggestive of the fact that we're in the right direction to make a deal. And as far as the news is reporting, the meeting between President Trump and the head of China is still on. But with all this uncertainty, the interest rates have backed up, not radically, and the important 10-year is still below 4%, which is a key psychological number. And the move in gold is continuing down. It's still above 4,000, but it gave up a huge amount of its gain yesterday, and today it's down 2.5%. And when we jump over to crypto, we have the red land here because not only are interest rates not coming down, not only do we have the uncertainty with respect to tariffs in China and the shutdown, but you know, in the United States, we have a lot of companies that are putting Bitcoin on their balance sheets, and they are becoming Bitcoin treasury companies like MicroStrategy. Guess what? Two big Asian exchanges, Hong Kong and India, have now said no Bitcoin treasury companies are allowed. That's a negative. But it's not entirely negative what's going on with the regulators in Hong Kong. They have approved the first spot Solana ETF. It's not going to be able to do staking, but this is a sign that spot ETFs are coming all over the world. And remarkably, in the United States, there are 155 crypto ETF filings that are supposed to be accepted, approved by the SEC by the end of this year. Pretty remarkable. Bottom line, we have a market that's weak because we don't have resolution of the shutdown and we don't have a deal with China. But we are going to make a deal with China, in my opinion, and the shutdown just can't go on forever. So at the end of the day, it's a question of how far it goes down. Before we get the good news, it'll take it up. And I anticipate it's before the end of the year and hopefully before November 1st.